Hi Christian, I really hope that this is gonna work. This part here should be relatively normal and this part here flare because one side is flared out more than the other. This side up to here was sort of normal, but I marked it here, so I begin to flare this side out. At some point I'm gonna flare the whole thing out, but these sides are significant because I want to mark them special. And once I flare them out, I'm gonna keep going so far, and then I flip it over. So they call it inverted head. And the other side is higher than this side. So this would be the front. In here is the beanie. This is not the beanie. In here is a hidden beanie to cover his head, but the flare is so high that you don't even see the beanie. And this is the other side of the flare. So the behind is flare higher than the front, and the front is flare so high that you can't even see the beanie underneath. Okay, I love you. Bye. And I thought it looks something more like sort of this. Can you see a beanie there? The round beanie, and then the flare part and the other part. Okay, I love you. I hope that it's gonna work somehow. These are definitely difficult hat. Here you can see the head part and then the flare part. Don't know. Very weird, to be honest.